The affiliate t-shirt business is an amazing opportunity for lots of reasons. I'm not only going to tell you the good, I'll tell you the bad too. Let's start with the good. It's absolutely the fastest and easiest way that I know of to start making money online when you're starting from scratch with no experience, no website, no list, no connections, and no special skills. It's possible for you to go through this course today and learn the basics, get your first campaign up by tomorrow, and be profitable 24 hours after that. I'm a full-time internet marketer. I've been selling stuff online since 1998, and of all the different models that I've seen and tried, I can safely tell you that there's nothing else out there online for the beginner that's faster and easier to get started in than this model. I have several online businesses to run, so I'm only doing the t-shirt business part-time, and I'm making hundreds to over $1,000 per week. You can do this business whenever you want, part-time, full-time, or just run some campaigns whenever you need some extra income. It's not like you have to stay on top of it and maintain contact with your customers. When you have the time, you put up campaigns, and when you don't worry about it. My other businesses require a lot of my time and involvement. That's why I do this whenever I have extra time, and that's part of the beauty of this type of business. The learning curve is much smaller than just about any other type of online business. Now don't get me wrong, there is a lot to learn, and you do have to work, but compared to other businesses, this is much easier to learn, and the type of work is easier to do. Okay, now for the bad. All businesses have some difficulties. Most other people will just tell you the good stuff because they feel they'll sell more courses to you that way. But then, when students hit a rough spot, they give up right away. It's because of false expectations. I believe in telling you the good and bad right up front. This way you can be mentally prepared for when things get difficult. If you're prepared, you'll fight through it, and this is the way to be successful. And I do want you to be successful because if you're successful, you'll buy more of my courses. So anyway, the bad side of this business, you probably already know what it is. Not all campaigns will be successful. You'll put up a campaign, run some traffic to it, and no one buys any shirts. It's competitive. You'll have more campaigns fail than you will have successes. We all do. But here's the good news. The money that you'll make with your winners can far outweigh what you lose on your unsuccessful campaigns. In this course, I show you how to cut your losses quickly on your losing campaigns and scale up your winners to multiply your profits. For example, let's say you lose $20, $25 on 4 or 5 campaigns in a row. So you're out about $100. Now let's say your next campaign is a winner. You could ramp it up to make $700, $800 or lots more. And that's how paid advertising works. It's basically trial and error. Knowing this up front will help you to have reasonable expectations. This will help you fight through the difficulties and not give up. Having the right mindset is extremely important to your success.